Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name's Gabrielle Ruddick. I'm a fashion, beauty, and still life photographer based in London. So recently I bought a new vlogging camera. I have the Sony DSC-WX500 and I am basically going to tell you how amazing this camera is. It's the tiniest little camera. It will fit inside your back pocket. Like, it is perfect. Everything about it is so great for vlogging. It has this flip up screen so that you can see yourself if you're doing self vlogging or self pictures. It also has flash and a tripod unit at the bottom, and those are just a few of the features that I love about this camera. I'm not going to go through all of them because it's pretty simple, and you can read all the specs online. I'll link it below where I got it on Amazon. But basically, I'm gonna shoot some footage outside, inside, shade, direct sunlight with this camera, and then show you guys the footage so that you can get a better idea of the picture and the video quality that this camera can produce for you. Another thing I want to mention, if you're planning on buying a vlogging camera, I highly recommend getting one of these. It's a little tripod and it has these bendy legs so that you can bend it, hold it whichever which way. You can strap it to yourself, you can strap it to a bike, a tree, whatever. But these are amazing, especially if you're planning on doing any kind of videoing with a vlogging camera. You definitely need one of these tripods or something similar because this camera is gonna have shake. If you are hand holding it, even with the image stabilization that comes with this camera, it's still gonna have just the tiniest bit of shake. And if you want that more professional looking vlogging quality, then you definitely want one of these. This is definitely going to reduce the amount of shake that you have. I also want to mention that this little vlogging camera retails on Amazon for £229, which for this type of vlogging camera with a flip up screen and this image quality, I think is an amazing steal. And these little must-have tripods are really great too and super inexpensive. I bought mine for about $10 and I'll link that below as well. And without further ado, let's go shoot some footage. Okay guys, so right now I am on the Sony DSC-WX500. That is what I'm filming with. I also have my tripod attached. So you can see this is the exact same setup that you just saw me on, and there I was filming on the Sony a7 II. So a little bit different like levels of cameras, but this is just so you can get a idea of the image quality. Right now I'm facing away from a pretty bright window, so maybe it's picking up some of that light coming in from behind. I also though have a light pointed towards me. This was my setup for that, but just so you know, maybe if I turn towards the light, let's see what happens. So the image quality totally changes. Obviously, if you're facing towards the light, it's going to be great, beautiful light on your face. The sound that you're hearing right now is the sound from this vlogging camera. So if you're looking for a vlogging camera that you can also record pretty good sound with, I would say that this one is a thumbs up from me as far as vlogging camera sound. Of course, you're not going to get the most professional sound without a microphone, but vlogging camera, going out, this is pretty good sound. Now I'm gonna go ahead and head outside and show you guys what it's like in different lighting settings, inside and outside. Okay guys, I have hooked up the vlog camera to my electric scooter, and Gentry and I are gonna go on a ride. Okay guys, so I'm here at the park now. I am standing underneath a tree with Gentry. Gentrine! We came here on the scooter. He was in his backpack. He had a good time. Now he's out here running around. Huh, Stinky? He's not listening to me at all. So basically, right now, just so you can see, I'm standing underneath a tree and I'm facing into the shade. If I turn around, I'm still in the shade, but now I'm facing out into the sun. It's a little bit of a cloudy day, but now I'm walking out directly into the sunlight. So you can see this is the image quality. Here is our zoom in feature. Oh, nice, nice Ginge. Oh, here he comes. We're zooming back out. Hi, Stinky. Okay guys, so we got a few moments of direct sunlight, which is somehow unheard of in England. I'm sure it's only gonna last a minute, so here is the footage in direct sunlight. This is direct sunlight of the park. So direct sunlight on the face. It is super bright, very bright today. Zoom in, zoom out. Hi guys, okay, so Gentry and I are back from the park, and I hope that my footage was able to give you a little bit better idea of how amazing this vlogging camera is and what a great deal it is for the price that it is. I know it's a little later out on the market, like it's been out for a while, but in my opinion, it's still totally worth it. Amazing vlogging camera. I really love it, and I think the price is right. So I'll link everything below for you guys, and as always, please feel free to leave a comment, reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm always here to answer them. And if you liked this video and you want to see more of my upcoming videos, please subscribe below. Thanks, bye.